Hello, it's a lovely sunny day. What better than to talk about our Vigil 600 gram ABC fire extinguisher containing that magical thing called ABC powder. Here's one, good box. Let's have a look what's in it, shall we? This is what it looks like. A very compact fire extinguisher, good for caravan, car, motorbike, things like that. It is not designed for office use, or you could use it in your home, but bear in mind, compare the size of that to the fire extinguishers you see around your office. It is designed for a small fire. So something like a car fire, it's ideal because with its compact bracket, you can actually have it near you, which if you're hanging upside down having rolled and you smell a bit of something or other, you absolutely want this to be near you. Some people put them in the boot. You have to get out and do it. It's up to you. ABC powder, that means it will fight any type of fire. You will see these in Halfords, car part shops and that, the AA sell one, but what you'll find generally that theirs contain what is called BC powder. It will not put out A-class fires. Now A-class fires are wood, paper materials. So if you think in your caravan, everything. B, flammable liquids. C, gas. So BC powder is just for flammable liquids and gas. This covers it all. Each one comes with a bracket, lightweight plastic bracket. It's got holes on the back, a couple of screws and plugs. We also supply adhesive Velcro, tough, so you would stick one part on the back and the other part where it's going to go, or if you're lucky enough you've got carpets and the Velcro goes straight on it, up to you. But it's got every eventuality, and this is very good for cars, very easy to get out. How about that? It complies with all the standards you require for use in the UK and for Europe. So that's very important, because don't forget, if you go to certain countries, I can never remember off the top of my head which ones they are, but I believe Belgium is one where a fire extinguisher is a legal requirement. Not all, but we advise you check before you travel. So you want to have the proper thing. Very simple to use. This is an anti-tamper seal, which means that if this is broken, then it may have been used. If it's not broken, you know it's not. When you pull this pin out, or this safety clip, it will break that little simple plastic seal. You don't have to break it. Then, simple case, finger through there and press the red thing. I'm not going to do it because it's going to make a bit of a mess. One other thing is, if it had been used, because all extinguishers these days will start and stop, you would be able to see a bit of powder residue. Fire extinguishers, no modern fire extinguishers are designed to have a little squirt and then save it. So if, please don't have a squirt to test it, because that will gradually leak all the pressure, and when it comes to being used, it will not work. Don't do it. It's a once only. This will serve you for 5 years. It has a 5-year warranty. You'll find the manufacturing date, the precise day they were made, printed on the bottom. It tells you everything that you need to know on the label, and you will find more on the website. But the Vigil 600 gram ABC fire extinguisher is ideal for you, for travel, and for small use fires. To find out more about this product, have a look on the links at the end of this video.